Discover the top multiple myeloma treatment options in India, including procedures, types, costs, best hospitals, success rates, and inspiring success stories. Uncover the best care for this condition with this comprehensive guide. In recent years, the field of healthcare in India has witnessed remarkable advancements in the treatment of various diseases, including multiple myeloma. Multiple myeloma is a type of cancer that affects plasma cells in the bone marrow, leading to complications such as bone pain, anemia, and kidney problems. In this video, we will delve into the best multiple myeloma treatment options available in India, the procedures involved, types of treatments, costs, top hospitals offering these services, success rates, and inspiring success stories in the healthcare industry. Understanding multiple myeloma. Multiple myeloma is a complex and challenging disease that requires a multidisciplinary approach for effective treatment. Before delving into the treatment options available, it is essential to understand the basics of multiple myeloma. Diagnosis. Multiple myeloma is usually diagnosed through a series of tests, including blood tests, urine tests, bone marrow biopsy, and imaging studies such as X-rays, CT scans, or MRIs. Staging. Once diagnosed, multiple myeloma is staged based on various factors, including the extent of bone damage, levels of certain proteins in the blood, and the presence of specific genetic abnormalities. Treatment goals. The primary goals of multiple myeloma treatment are to control the disease, manage symptoms, prevent complications, and improve quality of life. Types of multiple myeloma treatment. Multiple myeloma treatment in India typically involves a combination of therapies tailored to each patient's specific needs. Some common types of treatment options include 1. Chemotherapy. Chemotherapy drugs are used to kill cancer cells and slow the progression of the disease. 2. Immunomodulatory drugs. Amidst these drugs help boost the immune system's ability to fight cancer cells. 3. Proteasome inhibitors. These drugs target and break down proteins in cancer cells, leading to their death. 4. Stem cell transplantation. This procedure involves replacing damaged bone marrow with healthy stem cells to help the body produce healthy blood cells. 5. Radiation therapy. Radiation therapy may be used to target specific areas of cancer cells, especially for pain relief or to reduce tumor size. Best hospitals for multiple myeloma treatment in India. India is home to several world-class hospitals that offer state-of-the-art facilities and expertise in multiple myeloma treatment. Some of the best hospitals known for their excellence in cancer care and treatment include Tata Memorial Hospital, Mumbai; Medanta, the Medicity, Gurugram; AIIMS, New Delhi; Marengo Sims Hospital, Ahmedabad; Artemis Hospital, Gurgaon. These hospitals have a dedicated team of oncologists, hematologists, and support staff who work collaboratively to provide personalized care to patients with multiple myeloma. Cost of multiple myeloma treatment in India. The cost of multiple myeloma treatment in India can vary depending on the type of treatment, hospital facilities, and the patient's overall health condition. On average, the cost of treatment may range from $10,000 to $30,000 or more, depending on the treatment duration and complexity. Success rate and success stories. The success rate of multiple myeloma treatment in India has seen a significant improvement in recent years, owing to advancements in medical technology and treatment protocols. Many patients have shared their inspiring success stories of overcoming multiple myeloma and leading fulfilling lives post-treatment. One such success story is that of Mr. Rajesh, a 52-year-old patient who was diagnosed with multiple myeloma 3 years ago. After undergoing a combination of chemotherapy and stem cell transplantation at Medanta the Medicity, he is now in remission and enjoying a good quality of life. His story is a testament to the effectiveness of modern treatment modalities and the importance of early detection and intervention. In conclusion, multiple myeloma treatment in India has come a long way, offering patients access to cutting-edge therapies, world-class medical facilities, and a supportive healthcare ecosystem. By staying informed about the latest treatment options and seeking care from renowned hospitals, patients can navigate their journey towards recovery with confidence and hope. Thank you for watching. Please visit www.wellnessdestinationindia.com for more information.